ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 26ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ.
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಗಾ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನಸಿನ ಮನೆಯನ್ನ ಸಾಕಾರಗೊಳಿಸಿ. ತನ್ನ ಸುಂದರವಾದ ವಾತಾವರಣ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾಸ್ಮೋಪಾಲಿಟನ್ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಗೆ ಖ್ಯಾತಿ ಪಡೆದಿರುವ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ನಗರ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಆಯೋಜಿಸಿರುವ ಮತ್ತು ಎಸ್ಬಿಐ ಹೋಮ್ ಲೋನ್ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತಪಡಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ಬೃಹತ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋ ಆಯೋಜಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಈ 2 ದಿನಗಳ ಉತ್ಸವವು ಜನವರಿ 20 ಹಾಗೂ 21ರಂದು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಸೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಲೋಕಲ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ನ ಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ರಸ್ತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯೋಜಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 10 ಗಂಟೆಯಿಂದ ಸಂಜೆ 6ರವರೆಗೆ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವು ನಡೆಯಲಿದೆ. ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಸ್ಯಾನಿಟರಿ ಪ್ಯಾಡ್ ಇದು 100% ಕಾಟನ್ ನಿಂದ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. 0 ರ್ಯಾಷಸ್ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ನ್ಯಾಪ್ಕಿನ್ ಪ್ಯಾಡ್. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ 100% ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಫ್ರೀ ಆಗಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತೀರಾ? ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೀ ಕೂಪನ್ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಯಾಕೆ ತಡ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಬೇಗ ಹೋಗಿ ಖರೀದಿಸಿ ಮತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫ್ರೀ ಆಗಿ ಪಡೆಯಿರಿ. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಖರೀದಿಸಲು ಈ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಕರೆ ಮಾಡಿ 7996827256 79968277256.
Sir, General Manager from Corporate Center, RE, Amlak Joshi sir, and Pai sir, GMC JRO, Sharma sir, Times, distinguished guests from Times, and distinguished builders, and most important, our customers. This is very good opportunity that from 35 to 40 builders are showcasing their projects here. And we are hoping very good footfall here, and this will give very good opportunity to builders, to banks, and most importantly to customers. So my best wishes. Thank you so much.
Respected CGM Sharma sir and general managers and reputed builders and the dignitaries from Times Group, I'm from Corporate Center Mumbai.
People who
I'm
would like to
Kishan
own a
Sharma,
home,
Chief General
a
Manager,
dream
State Bank
home,
of India,
so
Bengaluru
that they can
Circle.
have come
I
here,
am very pleased to
make a
inform
choice
that
as to
today
what to
and
choose.
tomorrow, for
And we are
2
here
days,
to support.
we are having
Thank you
a
very much.
home loan expo. Here,
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your views. Simana ma'am, over to
where
you.
about 40 builders will be participating, and they will be showcasing about their 250 odd projects. And we expect some very good footfalls. The customers from all across the entire say Bengaluru center will be coming here, and they will be the builders will be showcasing their projects to the customers. The customers will have the option of choosing their dream home from the inventory that is available with the builders.
Just like to
And
say
I
that
do
we
hope
have
that
been
we will get some very
having
good
a very good
footfalls,
relationship with
and
all the builders of Bangalore.
the results
All
will
the
be
big
very
builders,
encouraging for
various
State Bank of
builders. We have
India.
been funding them
Incidentally,
also.
we also had such a
This
property
days
expo
of
last year
expo, it
also,
gives us an
and we got some
opportunity
very good
to bring in
leads
as many
last year
customers
also.
as possible here. And I would
For
also like to say
for
that
the
we have
customers,
been
we have
able
got
to,
some
these 2 days we'll be
interest
giving them
concessions also
very
lined up.
good interest rate.
That is,
So
our
it's a
interest rate
special
will be
interest
from
rate that we would like to
8.35%
announce.
onwards.
It is from
And,
8.35 onwards.
so,
Right,
that is
so
a very
I
attractive kind of
request all
proposition
of
for the
you,
customers
the
also.
sourcing entities
So
out here, even the builder
expect,
friends who are
and I
here, I would
exhort the
request all of
customers
them
also
to please
to
convey
utilize
this
this opportunity
information
to
to all
avail
your
housing
customers
loans
who
from
are
State
looking
Bank
to
of
take a
India,
home
which is the
loan.
biggest housing
Please enter to this
provider in the
expo
country.
the next 2
Thank you so
days
much.
so that they can avail of such good rates, and that is actually
ಇದಾಗಿತ್ತು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಲೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಸುದ್ದಿಗಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 26 ಕನ್ನಡ. ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ.